Have you tried saving when using the word processing application? How difficult is it? Simple? Today, I will teach you step by step how to create, save, and open a word processing document. How do I create a Word document? Very simple. First, you click on the Start icon to display the Start menu, and then click on the Microsoft Word icon. The program gives you an empty one to type on. After these steps, you can type whatever you wish to type. So how do I save a document? Start a new document in Word and type your text. Click the file in the top left-hand corner of the screen. From the menu, choose to save as. The Save As dialog box will come up. It will show you the folder where you'll be saving. Type in the name of your document and click Save. How do I get the document saved? These documents have saving format. It depends on what purpose you intend to use it for. Click on the down arrow on the right to save the section of the dialog box, which will display a drop-down menu. Choose the file format you want for your document. File formats include doc, DOXC, PDF, and so on. In conclusion, to open MS Word document, first click on the menu bar, then click on File, and then click on the Open icon. Thank you, and bye for now.